Will the 2026 BMW M2 CS really have this much power? Having recently uncovered the updated M2 Coupe, BMW's M division is also preparing a more hardcore version of the premium subcompact model. The upcoming BMW M2 CS will allegedly have a whole lot of power, and it appears that the magic numbers have leaked. With an emphasis on the word supposedly, it seems that this ride might enjoy 525 horsepower. If the number is metric, then it translates to 518 brake horsepower and 386 kilowatts. If it's brake horsepower, then it comes out to 532 European horses and 392 kilowatts. These numbers were released by a BIMR Post member, who also claims that the BMW M2 CS will launch with pure rear-wheel drive, no surprise there, and instead of offering 2 transmission options, 6 SP manual and 8 SP DCT, it will apparently get the 2-pedal unit solely. But how does the output compare to the 2025 BMW M2 Coupe? Well, this one enjoys 473 horsepower, 480 PS/353 kW, from its upgraded 3.0L twin-turbo straight-six, up 20 HP, 20 PS/15 kW, from its predecessor. If the output mentioned above is correct, then the M2 CS will be HP, 45 PS/kW, or 52 HP, PS/kW, punchier than the regular one. Mind you, the supposed 525 HP output would allow it to step on the larger, and more expensive, M4 CSL's toes. The latter comes with 542 horsepower, 550 PS/405 kW, an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and does 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds. Since it's smaller and therefore lighter, the M2 CS could match its sprint to 60, and it would be 0.3 of a second faster than the 2025 square meters. The old BMW M2 CS could deal with the sprint in 3.9 seconds, aided by the 444 horsepower, 450 PS/331 kW, produced by its motor. A carbon fiber roof could be another highlight, alongside an Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel that may or may not be exclusive to this model. Expect a more advanced aero and a sportier design compared to the standard M2 in its latest iteration, next to fresh trim and upholstery inside. Reports claim the wheels could be shared with other go-fast BIMers that sport the CS or CSL suffix, and we also think the color palette could be expanded to comprise some bespoke hues. We initially thought the upcoming BMW M2 CS would be around by now, but it seems that the German car manufacturer has other plans. The latest unofficial data suggests it might not launch until next summer, and it could remain on the assembly line for roughly 1 year. It is possible that it will arrive in the United States in limited numbers for the 2026 model year, and it will be more expensive than the standard M2, which kicks off at $64,900 in our market. So, do you think 525 horses, metric or brake, sound realistic for the 2026 BMW M2 CS?